everybody, welcome back to another video. Happy Valentine's Day. I have a bit of a different super quick video today. I thought I would show you how to decrease. So I'm sure many of you know how to decrease normally, but a few of you may be very beginners and you may see on patterns DEC and things like that, and you may not know how to decrease your stitches. So I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you two ways in which you can decrease. One way which is, they're both super simple, but one way which is a little bit more obvious, and one way that's known as the invisible decrease. They're both super simple, both super quick, and you will pick it up really easily as well. So to all of you beginners, hello, hope you're enjoying the crochet journey, and now you'll be able to follow along on your patterns much easier with knowing your decreases. So I've just made a circle here, this is a simple circle of about 4 rounds, and this is using double crochets. Again, I'm working in UK terminology, so that's double crochet in UK and single crochet in US. So I've just slip stitched to join my round, and now we're ready to begin the round, and we're going to work some decreases into this round so that I can show you what to do. So just to start off with, I'm just going to work a normal double crochet just to secure that down. And now we want to decrease this stitch and this stitch to make 1. So decreasing is making 2 stitches into 1, whereas increasing is making 1 stitch into 2. So the way to do this is you're going to insert your crochet hook, you're going to yarn over like you're just working a normal double crochet and pull up. So that's 2 loops on your hook. But whereas you would yarn over and pull through both of those loops to complete your double crochet, you're going to repeat what you've just done. So into the next stitch over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook, and now you can yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops on your hook, and you will have just 1 stitch there. So there you can see you've made 2 double crochets into 1. Don't worry if you haven't got that, we can work a few more together. So now what I'm going to do is make these 2 stitches, these 2 double crochets into 1 double crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook just as I'm going to work a double crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop. I'll have 2 loops on my hook, but instead of pulling through those 2 loops, I'm going to find my next stitch, insert my hook, yarn over and pull up another loop. I'll have 3 loops on my hook, and now I can yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And there you can see I've got 1 stitch. So we've made 2 stitches into 1. So I'll show you once more. So these are my next 2 stitches. I'm going to make these 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, leave that there, find my next stitch, insert hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, and now I can pull through all 3 of those loops. And you can see my work is curling up because my decreases make the work kind of tighter and tenser, so they curl up when you work your decreases. So they are, that's one way that you can work decreases for double crochets. But now I'm going to show you how to work the invisible double crochet. So this is slightly different. It is pretty similar, and again it's really easy, nothing special, but it just kind of hides your decreases a little bit more in your work, so that if you're working with really detailed, intricate kind of details in your crochet and you don't want big blocks of double crochets sticking out, you can work these and they are hidden a little bit better. So I just worked some normal double crochets there just to work around my circle a little bit more. And now I'm going to find my next 2 stitches, which is this one and this one, and we're going to make those into one. So it's almost exactly the same, but you're going to work through your front loops only. So as you can see on my work, I have a V kind of shape which makes up my stitches. This is my front loop and this loop here is my back loop. So this is my front loop and this is my back loop. Now with this, you're just going to work into the front loop only. So you're going to insert your crochet hook into the front loop of your first stitch, and then you're going to not do anything yarning over, but you're going to bring your hook down and pick up the front loop of your second stitch as well. So now you kind of have 2 front loops on your hook, and then obviously the loop that you've got at the beginning. Now then you can yarn over and pull through both of these front loops like so. So now you have 2 loops on your hook, and then you can just complete your double crochet with pulling through 2. And now you can see that you've made 2 stitches into 1 stitch, and you can see that it's really hidden inside the work, whereas where we worked on normal decreases, you can see they're quite bulgy and poke out, whereas this blends in nicely with your work. So don't worry if you didn't get that, I'm going to show you again. So these 2 stitches here I'm going to make into 1. I'm going to find the front loop, insert my hook into the front loop, bring my hook down again and find the front loop of my second stitch and insert my hook. Now then I can yarn over, pull through both of those loops, yarn over and pull through 2. On my next 2, insert into the front loop, insert into the front loop, yarn over, pull through both of those loops, yarn over and pull through 2. So you can see they blend in nicely with your work, and that's how you work an invisible decrease. So they can be worked with any stitches, so whether you have trebles, double trebles, you can work them in a way the normal decrease, or you can work them in the invisible decrease way. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you found it helpful. Now you can follow along these patterns nice and easily, not getting stuck at those pesky double decreases in your work. You can either choose to do them in the normal decrease way or in the invisible decrease way as well, depending on which one you prefer. So I hope this was helpful for you. Leave me a like if you did enjoy this, and comment down below what videos you'd like to see in the future. Next week I have a super fun tutorial coming out. It's a bee tutorial, so go ahead and turn on your notifications and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video and you don't miss any future videos that I post. Thank you all, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye!